Think your iPhone backups are safe? Think again. Apple's free iCloud gives you merely 5 GB of storage, which is barely enough for a few selfies and a playlist. That's where iCloud Plus swoops in, giving you privacy perks, massive storage boosts, and some fancy extras for a price. But is it genius or just another Apple sale tactic? Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Now you can finally ditch the annoying storage full alert with iCloud Plus. Plans start at just 99 cents a month for 50 GB and climb all the way to 12 TB if you're basically running a data empire. Your photos, videos, and backups sync across all your Apple devices without taking up your phone's memory. The real deal comes from Apple's Privacy Corner. iCloud Private Relay will hide your IP address so websites can't track you. Well, Hide My Email lets you create burner email addresses to block spam and keep your inbox sneakily clean. There's even HomeKit Secure Video for storing footage from smart cameras, and you can even personalize your iCloud email domain like a tech boss. Apple also added the Invites app that will help you host events and send digital invites, but only paying users can play Party Planner. So, is it worth it? Well, if you're drowning in photos, crave digital privacy, or just want your Apple life running smoothly, then yes. But if 5 GB feels fine and you're not that into private relays or smart cameras, you can skip the upgrade without a thought. iCloud Plus is small money for big convenience, but only if you actually use it. So, are you making a purchase? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.